What is Azure Site Recovery?
Azure Site Recovery helps ensure business continuity by keeping business apps and workloads running during outages. It replicates workloads running on physical and virtual machines from a primary site to a secondary location.
What is the difference between Azure Security Center and Azure Sentinel?
Azure Security Center is focused on providing a unified security management system for on-premises and cloud workloads, whereas Azure Sentinel is ACM, Security Information and Event Management, system that provides a bird's-eye view across the enterprise.